Hey everyone, since it went on pre-order a few months ago, Ayaneo's most recent product, the gaming handheld Pocket S, has generated a lot of buzz. The Pocket S, which was just formally released, sets a new benchmark for gaming handhelds with its cutting-edge technology, especially with its usage of the Snapdragon G3x Gen 2 processor. The Pocket S's most notable feature is that it uses the Snapdragon G3x Gen 2 chipset, which is more advanced than the Gen 1 version utilized by Razer Edge and Ayaneo A32. Its notable performance improvement as a result of this update sets it apart in the portable gaming market. The Pocket S offers a choice between a 1440p and a 1080p display, with the latter being more budget-friendly. Both displays measure 6 inches and employ IPS technology for vibrant visuals. The pixel density differs between the two options, with the 1040p variant boasting an impressive 490 ppi, ensuring stunning clarity. Additionally, both displays cover 100% sRGB color gamut and 85% DCI-P3 color space, guaranteeing a rich and accurate color representation. With a maximum brightness of 400 nits, the Pocket S delivers a vivid viewing experience even in well-lit environments. Its sleek appearance is complemented by a robust hardware architecture, ensuring smooth and efficient performance across all variants. Ayaneo incorporates its signature vapor chamber and active air cooling system into the Pocket S, preventing overheating during intense gaming sessions. The device is powered by a sizable 6000 mAh battery, ensuring prolonged gaming sessions without constant recharging. The entry-level Pocket S model offers 128 GB of RAM with UFS 3.1 storage, while higher configurations feature faster UFS 4.0 storage options, catering to different user needs and preferences. With a sharp 1080p display and 128 GB of RAM, the Ayaneo Pocket S entry-level model has an alluring $399 price tag. Its affordable price makes it an appealing choice for anyone searching for a premium portable gaming system without going over budget. However, the premium Pocket S model costs $439 more and has a gorgeous 1440p display, in addition to the same 128 GB of RAM. This version provides a better visual experience despite the price difference, making it the perfect choice for players that value excellent graphics and engaging action. In summary, Ayaneo's Pocket S gaming handheld, with its unmatched performance, breathtaking sights, and effective cooling systems, is a great option for gamers seeking a mobile gaming experience. It marks a substantial advancement in mobile gaming technology. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and God bless you.